हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टुडे। आज मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी जो कि मैंने एक रीसेंट ट्रिप मैनिफेस्ट करी है। आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट ये ट्रिप मैंने मैनिफेस्ट करी है और अचानक से कुछ भी नहीं प्लान बना है। एवरीथिंग इज कोऑर्डिनेटेड एंड वेल प्लान्ड बाय द यूनिवर्स। सो लेट्स बिगिन हाउ आई मैनिफेस्टेड this trip to Goa unintentionally, not on the cards, and just like this. So let's start. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मैं शुरू से ही व्हेन आई वाज अ किड आई जस्ट लव्ड बीचेस। शुरू से ही मुझे बीचेस बहुत पसंद थे। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा बीचेस को इमेजिन करती थी कि मुझे बीच पे जाना है, और गोवा से अच्छी लोकेशन बीच के लिए नहीं है, राइट, इन इंडिया। सो आई हैव गॉन टू गोवा फॉर लाइक एवरी ईयर हैव गॉन टू गोवा। लाइक अगर एवरी ईयर नहीं तो हर 2 साल में मैं गोवा गई ही गई हूँ, क्योंकि it is a good destination to have that beach vibe, right? So अभी of late 3-4 साल जब से COVID आया था and I was not able to go to Goa. It was okay for me. I mean, I was not craving कि मुझे जाना है, because this transformation which is internal in my life doesn't give me like emergency वाली craving कि हमें जाना ही है, but automatically everything is happening which I want in my life. So I'll take this example कि one day what I was doing is I am into meditation. मैं रोज मेडिटेशन करती हूँ, और एक दिन out of a sudden मेरे जहन में ख्याल आया that I am sitting on a beach and I am meditating. I just felt like doing it, and I meditated on a beach, visualizing myself on a beach, and I meditated. What all I did that day, I heard the sound of the waves. I wanted to feel it deeper. I heard the sound of waves and I meditated. उस दिन मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा मेडिटेशन करना कि मुझे नेक्स्ट डे भी लगा, I felt the need to do it the next day as well. और नेक्स्ट डे भी मेडिटेशन में मैंने वही वाला सीन देखा that I'm sitting on a beach and I am closing my eyes, trying to go deep within myself, visualizing the beach around me, the waves coming towards me and going back. So this went on and on for like 5-6 times, and then I thought, yes, I want to experience it. But I just had that vision in my mind that yes, someday I'll definitely go. इसके साथ साथ मेरा विजन बोर्ड जो मैं बार बार शेयर करती हूँ आप लोगों के साथ, मेरा विजन बोर्ड भी है जिसमें मैं बीच पे एक ट्रिप विजुलाइज करना चाहती हूँ। इस विजन बोर्ड में मेरा बीच का ट्रिप लिखा है, which I'll show you. It's this is my vision board, and I had drawn a picture. I had taken a picture of myself on a beach, and it's just I just had this in my board in my room and I forgot about it. So the point to forgot about it comes here that हमें उस आउटकम से अपने आप को डिटैच करना है। मैं डिटैच कर चुकी थी। मैं रोज ये नहीं सोच रही थी कि मुझे जाना है, but I had detached myself from that because I trust the universe that whenever is the right time for me, it will happen. So I did this for 5 to 6 times. मैंने meditate किया and मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ. So the second point is feeling. I felt the joy within while meditating. So visualization process का first point is that you have to hear what you want to hear. Second point, you have to feel what you want to feel right then and there. The third point which I did was I literally saw myself on a beach. I visualized myself sitting on the sand. I visualized and felt the sand as well in my mind. So the third point is feelings and emotions. So I did all these things for a while, and visualization में आपको रोज same चीज नहीं करनी है, because then the trust factor doesn't come towards the universe. Detach yourself and trust the universe that it will definitely happen. very miraculously, few of our friends approached us and asked us if we want to go with them. But then हमारा कुछ प्लान नहीं था तो हमने totally refuse कर दिया. So it just went on for a few weeks and one day I don't know how वो click कर गया plan और हमने अपनी tickets within 2 hours book कर दी. Our tickets were booked, our hotel was booked, so it was becoming planned by the universe. We had that sense that we want to go in that very moment. So I just wanted to share कि everything is possible. अगर आप belief रखते हैं कि हो सकता है तो हो सकता है. I manifested the entire trip. I sat on the beach 4 times. On all the 4 days in the morning, I have meditated on the beach. I have meditated on the beach for all the 4 days. And it felt such a nice vibe to experience. जो मैं देखती थी माइंड में वो रियलिटी में मैंने कन्वर्ट करके दिखाया है. सो आप भी स्टार्ट कीजिए, जो भी आप चाहते हैं उसको फील कीजिए. लिसन टू व्हाट यू वांट टू लिसन एंड मैनिफेस्ट योर डिजायर्स, योर ट्रिप्स easily in your life. So these are few of the visuals of my trip, and I truly believe that it has been planned and coordinated by the universe itself, by law of attraction, because what I was thinking that day, what I was visualizing that day has become true for me. I hope आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा and आपको भी कुछ learnings मिले होंगे, and if you want to manifest your trip, you can surely do that. Thank you for watching.